Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. That was a quick one. Okay, so we're going to do another one, SCX car, and this is a Seat Leon Cup Racer. And these are really fun cars. Just they run fun, and they're great to drive. But SCX is also stepping up their decoing and also their detailing of their cars. Look at this nice fin on the back to compete with Fly, because SCX cars in the first generation didn't even compete with Fly. Fly was a 1,000 miles ahead. Okay, so we're gonna take this off you need a screwdriver to undo the pin here that mounts the car. So we're gonna twist that. Look at that. Now this is a three screw mount. So we're gonna unscrew that real quick, baby, here, so you can see inside this car. And now, this is all of SCX cars are rear-mounted, motor-mounted. So that means the motor is rear-mounted right back here next to the gear, okay? And that's why you always want to make sure, because they pop out. Sometimes in shipping, that might pop out, so you're not going to have contact with your guide pins. And also, make sure that you pull your guide pin, and you pull up your little things, because that's what's touching here, and sometimes they get pushed down and you're not having a good contact. And then bring up your braids so they're pretty much even, so that when you put it on the track, you're going to get good speed. Okay, now we don't have contact. Okay, now we don't have movement. Now why don't we have movement? Okay, and that's because we probably don't have these prongs. Yep, see this prong drop down, and it's not making good contact with the guide pin. And that's what you always want to check, all cars. See that? Now we got good running, okay? See, that's important. Now, that happens more on SCX cars than Fly cars, because Fly cars have direct wire right to the guide pin, okay? All right, and so that's the car. We want to put a little bit of, where'd my oil go? Oh, there it is. Okay, you want to put a little bit, see, they've already got a little bit of oil, but you can put a little bit of oil. I use this IMAX oil. It's called Inox or Gugon. Gugon's the best for lubricating your car. See how quiet it is? That's great about SCX. The new RK42 motors are a lot quieter, okay? RK42 motors. So this is the Seat Leon Eurocup Castrol. And that's A10205. Okay, this came out in 2017, this car did. And that's a nice new car to add to your layout, okay? And one thing nice about slot cars is that the drivers or people that collect slot cars, they just keep adding a new car to their collection, because it's just fun to collect the cars, because you can put them out almost as real cars, because they look almost real. And they come with nice little cases. You could leave them in the cases if you want. Snap them back in here like this. And then your instruction guide, which teaches you about the adjustable magnets that I told you on other cars or other SCX cars, just attaches right here, and you can put that right on your shelf just like that. That's another car. Don't forget to like us and subscribe. Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com.